damn place. This place sucks. All I can eat here is just damn seeds. Ugh. Oh, they do not taste good either. Ugh. Hey, you stupid guards! Where the hell are you? Let me out right now! No, I don't think I'm gonna do that. This is so dumb. Ugh. Wait, what time is it? 4:50. Oh my god. I hate this place. I really hate it. Oh, but you don't have to hate it anymore. Who said that? Master did it for sure. Yes, he did. Where the hell you are? Show your damn self. Oh, you're not talking. You're just talking to us. Yeah. Awkward moment. But, as you see, DarkWatcher is giving you, you know, a deal. A deal to help you two. If you're, let me guess, you're another one? Another extinct species? Shit, like that. Well, guess what? We are only here to help you. So, if we will give you this, I've heard that you've outcasted Red. That Sapiornis I felt like that Sapiornis was gonna kill us or something. He's on the good side still. But if you want to kill him, I'm pretty sure that DarkWatcher would appreciate that. Fine, take the damn offer. That's good. Now fly along. I don't think you know where the fossil lab is, but here's the map. Go across the house to your igloo camp or whatever the hell it is, and then yeah, you might find it. Oh, and also the code changes every day. Oh, okay. Did it work? Yeah, it did. She finally got out. Good. I'm pretty sure she'll be more helpful than I'm pretty sure she'll be more helpful than ShadowTalon. Or she. Wait, who's ShadowTalon? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell him that. Well, as you see, ShadowTalon is was a sparrow that betrayed us. And what happened to him? He died. I killed him. Well, he deserved that. Okay. Guys, let's just get to the point. Yeah, let's just go. Yeah, I realized this led to the place. It's gonna be hung. Ow. Hey, DarkWatcher, before you go back to the fossil lab. Yes? I have a few questions. Do you actually ever eat things? Like, do you eat anything? I do, to survive. What do you eat? Meat, worms, and probably snakes, and bunnies. Jeez. Okay. And maybe some bugs as well, but And fish? Yeah. But anyway, at least that's pretty good. At least it's the last thing. I finally got a new assistant. Yeah. I'm pretty sure ShadowTalon's gonna look jealous. Oh wait, I forgot. He's dead. DarkWatcher needs to stop this. At least I'm in heaven. Because, thank God it wasn't even that evil. I don't know what to do next, but this is probably gonna be the craziest time of